Together strong, we'll stand as one. Solomon Islands, you're always in my heart. From sunrise to the day we part.